don't forget to make this delicious stuffed bread with tuna. For today's recipe, I'll need 7 slices of sandwich bread, and I'll cut off the crusts like this. Then, I'll take those crusts and cut them into several pieces. Next, I'll transfer them to a large bowl. Now, I'll add 1 red onion diced into small cubes. I'll also add 340 grams of tuna. Four tablespoons of mayonnaise. After that, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper to mix all the ingredients very well. Now that the mixture is ready, I'll return to the slices of sandwich bread. I'll take 1 slice and flatten it well with a rolling pin. Then, I'll add 1 tablespoon of the prepared mixture. I'll add mozzarella on top to taste. Next, I'll need some water, and I'll brush some around the edges of the recipe like this. Then, I'll take 1 side of the sandwich bread and fold it over to close the recipe, pressing down the edges firmly to seal them. With a fork, I'll press the edges again to leave a mark, like this. And I'll repeat this process with the other slices of sandwich bread. Now, I'll dip the recipe into a glass dish with a mixture of eggs, coating both sides. Then, I'll place the recipe into another container with panko flour, again coating both sides. With the recipe fully prepared, I'll fry it in a pan with hot oil, repeating the process with the other portions and also placing them in the pan. Once one side is ready, I'll turn the recipe to cook the other side. My family loves it when I make this. They always ask for it on weekend afternoons. Once both sides are done, I'll take it out of the pan and place it on a plate with paper towels. It might seem like a difficult recipe to make, but it's incredibly simple to prepare. Look how beautiful this recipe turned out. I can't wait to enjoy it. And just like that, it's ready. Now, it's time to enjoy today's meal. Make it at home and let me know how it turned out. I'd love to hear that you made it and loved it. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!